Hello, this video is going to be taking a look at how to use a free graphing calculator emulator on your computer. And this is something you might want to do if you don't already own your own graphing calculator, have not been able to borrow one from the school. Ideally, it would be best if you had your own, but I realize not everybody may have this. Now, the method I'm going to show you here does require, I believe, that you have a Windows computer. It will not work on a Apple computer. So hopefully you can have access to a Windows computer if you are trying to do this. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to this website. Now, I'll provide the website for you, but it's stemtech.net/projects/justified. And so when you get to the website, the first thing you're going to do is it talks about the terms of service, and you can just say, I agree. And then the next thing is you need to import a calculator ROM image. Now, I will provide this for you. You're going to want to download it from the email I send you. I'm going to go ahead and click Choose File. And mine is right here, this TI-84 plus ROM. And so if you double click on that, it will load in the ROM. And what you'll see is you have this perfectly working graphing calculator right here on your screen. So I can hit clear, and then I can do things like stat, edit, and I can go ahead and put in some data here. Just type it right in on your calculator. And then once you have that, then you can do things, of course, like stat, calculate one bar stats, list one, and you get your answer. You can even go down and see the 5-number summary and all that. So I just wanted to kind of show you this real quick. So on the test, you will be allowed to use this link on your test. We do have outside of that, you can only be inside of your Canvas test. You're going to be taking your test on Canvas, but you will be allowed to go to this website. Now, if you want to open it up ahead of time and make sure you have it all working, that might not be a bad idea, but I will allow you to use that particular website on the test. So let me know if you have any questions. Definitely do try it out if you don't have your own graphing calculator. And again, this only works on a Windows computer. So just trying to help in case you weren't able to get a calculator for yourself. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.